Yeah, I think all of things that I work in VSHR is all of my memory because that is my willing doing all of things, and that is all activity. That is the first time of in my experience. The first time I work in professional. The first time I met Mr. John and Miss Ming, who is a leader, who is a better leader that I met. And the first time I have feedback from clients. Yeah, and so that is all of things I did in VSHR is memory. It is the first time. Yeah, so I think that is memorable. I think I want to. I think people in VSHR, our team members. So let's enjoy and fun, because I want to our team work with together in a long time. So I think when we can go with it together in a long time, we can understand more and more about among us. So yeah, I think that is one of the best thing that make the successfully in our team. Yeah.